Hey guys, and welcome to a weather rat forecast. So today I'm going to be talking about Hurricane Helene. So this is Hurricane Helene, like the past 24-hour radar with satellite data loop. And as I'm recording this, it's a couple hours away from landfall. So, the cone of uncertainty with warnings and stuff. So, like most of Florida right now is being hit by tropical storm force winds, and it's going to make landfall as a major hurricane. Like over here, so yeah, and it has some hurricane force winds right there. And it's going to do like a Fujiwara effect, and it's going to combine with another low pressure system. Okay, the storm surge. Oh, wait, no. Peak surge. So, storm surge by Mexico Beach is going to be 1 to 3 feet. Around Indian Pass, well, right here in this yellow area, it's 3 to 5 feet. And then right here in this red area is 6 to 10 feet. And then over here in this purple area, this is where it gets really bad. 10 to 15 feet of storm surge is forecasted. But then look at this. 15 to 20 feet of storm surge is forecasted where the hurricane is making landfall. And the storm surge is like the deadliest part of a hurricane. So back down here, it goes down to 10 to 15. Then over here, it's 8 to 12. And then by Tampa, it's 5 to 8. And then it sort of gets less down here. There's also storm surge forecasted on the northwest side of Florida, the west side of Georgia, and parts of South Carolina. Yeah. The rainfall potential. So, if you're by Tampa Bay, like down there by Tampa Bay, you're going to expect some 2 to 4 inches of rain. Then in Tallahassee, like where it's making landfall, you guys can expect 4 to 6 inches of 4 to 6 inches of rainfall. But then up here, back into North Carolina, you guys up there could see rainfall from 8 to 12 inches, which is crazy. So, yep. And then the tornado potential, you could see the hurricane right there on radar. And then there's tornado watches all down Florida, even into parts of Georgia. And, yeah. Yeah. So that's going to be it. Wait. The tornado model. Okay, so now we're looking at the hurricane model. This This one is a hurricane model, so it's pretty accurate. It's meant for hurricanes. And so, this model has it making landfall at, this model has it making peak intensity just before landfall at 946 millibars. And then at landfall, it's expected to be 948 millibars. That's going to be it for today's forecast. Please subscribe. I want to go live for this later today. But I need 50 subs, so let's get to 50 subscribers. Bye.